What are the possible reasons why my Uber Eats card is not accepted?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss a common issue many people face. Why is my Uber Eats card not being accepted? We'll delve into the potential causes and possible solutions. So, let's jump right in.
Is your card information correct?
The first thing to check is whether all the information you've entered for your card is correct. This includes card number, expiry date, security code, CVV. A simple typo or outdated information could prevent your card from being accepted. Always double-check your details to ensure they are accurate.
Has your card expired?
Sometimes, the problem can be as simple as a card that has expired. If your card is out of date, it will not be accepted. Ensure your card is valid before attempting to use it for Uber Eats.
Are you exceeding your card limit?
Another potential reason your card might be declined is if you're exceeding your card's spending limit. If you've reached or surpassed the limit on your card, your bank might decline further transactions.
Does your card support online payments?
Not all cards support online transactions. Some may be limited to ATM transactions or in-store purchases. Check with your bank to ensure your card supports online payments. Your card needs to be enabled for online transactions to be used with Uber Eats.
Is your bank blocking the transaction?
At times, banks may block certain transactions due to their fraud detection algorithms. They do this to protect your account. If a transaction doesn't match your usual spending habits, it may be flagged as suspicious and blocked. If you suspect this may be the issue, contact your bank to confirm and resolve the issue. Resolving card issues with Uber Eats often comes down to pinpointing the problem. Always double-check your details, ensure your card hasn't expired, and confirm that your bank isn't blocking the transaction. We hope this video helps to clarify the potential issues and solutions. Happy ordering!